Secured Signing's document negotiation replaces messy, confusing email trails with a structured negotiation process that ensures people are always working from the most recent draft and quickly progresses to a final agreement. To commence the negotiation process, click the link in the invitation email and enter your passcode to access the document. If you do not wish to proceed with the transaction, clicking the Decline button will terminate the negotiation process for all parties. If you do wish to proceed with the transaction, you can approve the document as it stands, or edit the draft document and submit your changes for approval by the other parties to the negotiation. You have a number of tools available to edit the document. Using the strike-through tool, you can indicate terms that are to be excluded from the agreement. To add new terms to the agreement, use the Add Text tool. To insert text into an existing term, click at the insertion point and a callout will be placed in the document where you can type the text to be inserted. You can resize and reposition the callout as needed. Clicking the footnote option in the callout will convert the additional text to a footnote placed at the end of the document. To create a new term or paragraph, drag a rectangle where you need the text to be placed. You can resize and reposition the text box as required. You also have the option to add additional pages to the document using the Add Page button. You can remove any of the changes you've made to the document by clicking the X. You can save the changes you've made to the document at any time by clicking the Save Changes button. To return to editing the document, click the link in the invitation email. The document negotiation process provides the option to seek advice on the draft document and your changes by including your advisor in the negotiation process. An invitation to make further changes and/or review the changes you have made will be sent using the details provided when you click the Send to Advisor button. Any changes suggested by your advisor will be returned to you for your approval. When all the required changes to the document have been made, click the Approve button to submit your changes for review by the other parties in the negotiation. You'll be prompted to initial your changes. In the negotiation process, an electronic signature is used. The electronic signature clearly identifies who approved each change, along with the date and time, but does not seal the document from further change, like a digital signature. The negotiation process will continue until all parties have agreed to all changes. Once an agreement has been reached, the signing process will commence immediately. Document signing will use digital signatures to seal the document from further changes. Thanks for watching this video on how to participate in a document negotiation using secured signing.